Improvised samurai weapons, kiseru. Weapons that the samurai used were not limited to swords. In situations when a sword was not suitable or available, everyday items such as writing, eating, and cooking utensils were improvised as weapons. Worn tucked in men's obi or belt, improvised weapons were used in self-defense. One of these weapons was the kiseru, a tobacco pipe. The stem of the kiseru was often made of bamboo, with the mouthpiece, suikuchi, and the bowl, genkubi, on the ends made of iron, silver, or bronze. Tobacco was introduced to Japan through trade with Europeans in the 16th century, rising in popularity in the 17th century. People carried their kiseru in a case called kiseru-zutsu or kiseru-ire, which was accompanied by a tobacco pouch called a tabako-ire. Among commoners who were prohibited from carrying swords that accessorized men of the samurai class, tobacco pouches became a popular alternative accessory. Both samurai and commoners used the kiseru to smoke, which became one of the common pastime activities in the Edo period. Kiseru also functioned as a status symbol for the users, similar to the tabako-ire. Elaborately decorated kiseru that were developed and created by skilled artisans denoted the owner's wealth and taste. While kiseru used in smoking for pleasure and entertaining guests became a weapon in impromptu situations, there were different types of kiseru that were specifically designed to be used as a weapon during the Edo period. The kenka kiseru, buyo kiseru, and shikomi kiseru. One of the kiseru designed for fighting was called a kenka kiseru, meaning fighting pipe or brawling pipe, used by yakuza, gamblers, and gangsters on the fringes of society and self-styled guardians of the common people, as commoners could not carry a sword. An average kiseru was approximately 6 to 10 inches or 18 to 30 centimeters. The kenka kiseru was heavier and stronger. The length could be anywhere between 12 to 18 inches or 30 to 54 centimeters and was made of cast iron or brass, making it an effective truncheon-like weapon when hitting an opponent. Because the users of kenka kiseru disturbed law and order, several smoking prohibitions were initially issued throughout the 17th century. This was also enforced because there were people prioritizing tobacco over rice farming. Another type of kiseru designed to be used as a self-defense weapon among the samurai was the buyo kiseru. This was also longer, larger, and heavier than an ordinary kiseru, about 16 inches or approximately 48 centimeters in length, and could be held like a sword when fighting. Made of cast iron or brass, it was used in self-defense when a samurai was parted from his sword. Because it was made entirely of metal, it also enabled a samurai to effectively deliver a blow or a thrust in unexpected combat. There was also kiseru that could be a disguise for a weapon, such as shikomi kiseru, which could hide a needle-like weapon inside the pipe. The case of the kiseru could conceal a hidden weapon as well, called the shikomi kiseru-zutsu or shikomi kiseru-ire. The case contained a dagger instead of an actual pipe. In the Meiji period, after an edict that took away the samurai's right to carry swords was issued in 1876, the samurai carried an ordinary kiseru to be used as an improvised weapon. Kiseru remained in use in the early 20th century, but with cigarettes becoming mainstream in the Taisho and Showa periods, people shifted from pipe smoking to cigarette smoking. Hence, kiseru, which was used for smoking, displaying wealth, and fighting, became a cultural artifact in the modern period.
Hey Simple History fans, if you're looking for a better way to support the channel and help us create more epic content, consider becoming a member on our channel. Becoming a member means that for just $5 a month, you'll get these amazing perks. You'll be the first to see new episodes with early access. You can watch new episodes before anyone else with this perk. The Enlisted Badge, a custom icon that shows alongside your username in the comments section and in live chat. As a member, you'll become an influencer with member-only comments. You can communicate directly with us and help us pick the topics that we'll do next on Simple History. And remember, it's not mandatory to become a member. Thank you for letting us feed your hunger for history.